After revealing the first exterior teasers last month, Honda now revealed the interior of the upcoming all-new CR-V 2023 model. America's best-selling SUV of the past quarter century now has the more premium, comfortable as well as the high-tech interior. Visually, the layout is similar to the new Civic, and details that we can see include the main touchscreen with the new infotainment system, as well as the digital cockpit in front of the driver. More details will be revealed soon as the car has the world premiere next month, so subscribe for more.